Hi, I am Dr. Sai Prasad Reddy. Welcome to software testing tutorial. Now we are going to discuss about the topic open issues. These open issues are also called as known issues, is also called as open defects, are also called as known defects, are also called as open anomalies or known anomalies or open bugs or known bugs. They are different, people will call with a different name, right? Predominantly in the IT industry, these will be called as open issues, right? Now, I am explaining about these open issues in the perspective of software developers and software test engineers only, not by the end users, right? Now see here. So again, open issues is also called as known issues, is also called as open defects, is also called as known defects, or is also called as open anomalies or known anomalies or open bugs or known bugs. The name itself gives you the meaning, right? Now see. Now, once the unit testing is completed by the software development team and integration testing is completed successfully by the software testing development team, the build will be moved. Here the build is called a project or .exe file. The build will be released or the build will be moved into the testing environment for further testing, that is the system testing. So please catch this point carefully. Once unit testing and integration testing is completed successfully by the software development team, the build or the project will be released or the project will be moved into the testing environment for further testing, that is called system testing. This system testing will be performed by the software testing team. This system testing is a black box testing, whereas unit testing and integration testing is a white box testing. Now, after successful completion of this white box testing, while releasing the build into the testing environment or while moving the build or the project into the testing environment, this development team will prepare the list of open issues. Issue is also called as a defect or bug or anomaly. So once they prepare this list of open issues, that list of these open issues will be shared to all the stakeholders of the project. What do you mean by the stakeholders? The persons who are involved in the project. Either there may be a business analyst, or there may be a system analyst, or there may be a software developers, or testing team, or database administrators. Who not? Everybody who has involved in this project are called stakeholders. Once this open issues list is prepared, this list will be shared to all the software resources who are involved into this particular project. This is called stakeholders. Now, what do you mean by this open issues? See, regarding this, during this unit testing, they might have found some errors. During the integration testing, the software development team might have found some defects, right? Now, the defects which are found during the integration testing, some of the defects will be fixed or resolved by the software development team, and some of the defects or the issues are not fixed or not resolved by the software development team due to the project timelines or due to the strict timelines, due to some reasons. Which defects will not be fixed? before releasing the project into the system testing, the defects which are not harmful for the project. That means the defects which are having the low severity and low priority generally. These type of defects will not be fixed immediately. Their main focus or the main target or the main objective of this software developers is they are supposed to complete, they have to complete integration testing according to the schedule of the project. And they have to move the project into the testing environment. For this reason, some of the defects will not be fixed. Those defects they will fix later. The defects which are not fixed during the integration testing, those defects will be fixed later. Those defects will be resolved after some time. Right? These defects are called open defects or the open issues. Now, so why should they have to share this open issues list to the entire project team or for the, at least for the software testing team? Because this list of the open issues or the open defects means, for example, say there are 100 open defects or open issues. That means the build which is having this 100 defects or the 100 open issues are present in this particular build, are present in this particular project, and this project which is having the defects is moving to system testing for further testing. During the system testing, the software test engineers will do testing, and again there is a probability of finding the same defects which are not fixed in the integration testing. Right? So that means the build which is released for the system testing contains the defects which are not fixed by the software development team. They will fix those defects after some time. So this list of the open issues or the list of the open defects or the known defects should be known to system testing engineers. Otherwise, they will raise the same defects which are present in this project. They will raise the same defects again and again, again and again, and again and again. In order to avoid reporting of the defects again and again by the testing team, they will prepare, this development team will prepare the list of the open issues and they will share this open issues list to the system testing. Right? Now, so what is the main objective of preparing these open issues? As I told earlier, the main objective of preparing this open issues list is to avoid reporting of the same defects which are in the list of open issues by the software testing team during the system testing. This is the main objective of open issues, preparing an open issues list. Because if they have not prepared open issues list and the defects which are present in the integration testing itself, which are not fixed by the development team, again the software testing team will raise the defects again and again. Right? So that's why to avoid this reporting of the same defects which are in the open issues list by the software testing team, this open issues list is prepared. Right? So, yeah. See, the objective of open issues or known issues list is the software testing team should know which defects are in open defects list. That means, while performing the system testing by the software testing team, if they found the defects during the system testing, they have to check once whether the defect which is found during the system testing by the software testing team is present in this open issues list or not. If it is present in the open issues list, the concerned software test engineer need not to report the defect again. Because the development team, they themselves are accepting and they themselves are telling to you, yes, there is a defect, please don't raise again. That is the main objective. So, while performing the system testing by the software testing team, entire testing team, they have to keep this open issues list in front of them. And if this system testing team has found any defect, they have to cross-check, they have to verify with the open issues list whether this defect is present in the open issues list or not. If it is present, they are not supposed to report the defect. If there is no in this open issues list, then that means they have found the new defect, and immediately the concerned software test engineer has to report the defect to the development team. This is about open issues topic. Here, actually, majority of the cases, the interview panel member will ask you the questions like this: what is the main objective of open issues? And who will prepare the open issues list while the project is moving from development environment into the testing environment? This is very important. I am covering on the context of the build is releasing from development environment to the testing environment. This open issues list will be also prepared once the black box testing is completed and once that what you call the pre-production testing is completed, and while that project is moving to the client, even at that time also they will release the open issues list. But now I am not covering that topic. I am discussing about the open issues list which is prepared by the software development team, and this open issues list will be released to the system testing engineers while the build is moving from developers environment into testing environment for further testing. This is a context. Right? Now, in interview panel, the panel members may ask you the question like this: what is the objective of open issues? And if open issues list is not prepared, and what will happen? And what do you mean with open issues list? Right? So like this, they may ask you this topic in a different way actually. But this is very, very important topic. Right? So this is all about open issues list. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos to all your students groups and students community, those who are trying or searching for the job in the IT industry. And please like my sessions, and please don't hesitate to raise your comments in the comment box. Thank you.